I'm a rose, often called the queen of flowers because of my beauty. My petals are velvety and can be a deep red, soft pink, bright yellow, pure white, and many other colors. I am famous for my sweet, captivating fragrance that people adore. My stems have sharp thorns to protect me from animals that might want to nibble on me. Roses are symbols of love and romance, and people often give me as a gift on special occasions like Valentine's Day or anniversaries. Sunflower. Hi there, I'm a sunflower. I'm one of the tallest flowers, often growing taller than most kids, and my big, round face is made up of bright yellow petals surrounding a dark center full of seeds. My name comes from my habit of turning my face to follow the sun across the sky during the day. I bring warmth and happiness wherever I grow. My seeds are not only tasty snacks for people and birds, but they're also used to make sunflower oil. Tulip. Hello, I'm a tulip, and I'm a symbol of spring. My petals are smooth and shaped like a cup, which can come in almost every color you can think of. Red, yellow, purple, pink, orange, and even multicolored. I'm originally from Turkey, but now I'm very popular in places like the Netherlands, where people grow me in huge fields called tulip farms. My beauty is celebrated every year during tulip festivals around the world. Daisy. Hi, I am a daisy. I have white petals with a bright yellow center that looks like the sun. Some of my relatives have pink or purple petals. I'm simple and cheerful, often growing wild in fields and along roadsides. I symbolize innocence and purity, which is why I'm often part of children's games like making daisy chains. My name comes from day's eye because I open my petals during the day and close them at night. Aww! Lily! Hello! I'm a lily, known for my large, elegant blooms. My petals are often trumpet-shaped and come in colors like white, pink, orange, and red, with some even having freckles or stripes. I have a strong, sweet fragrance that can fill a whole room. Lilies are often used in bouquets for special occasions, especially weddings and Easter celebrations. Be careful though. Some types of lilies can be poisonous to pets. Orchid. Hi, I am an orchid, and I'm one of the most diverse and interesting flowers. My petals can be shaped in all sorts of ways, sometimes looking like butterflies, birds, or even faces. My colors range from deep purples and blues to delicate pinks and whites. I'm a bit fussy about where I grow. I love warm, humid places like rainforests. People often grow me indoors as houseplants because I'm so exotic and beautiful. Daffodil. Hello, I'm a daffodil, and I'm one of the first flowers to bloom in spring, which is why people say I bring sunshine after winter. My petals are usually bright yellow, and I have a trumpet-shaped center that makes me look like I'm singing. I'm a symbol of new beginnings and hope. People love to plant me in gardens to brighten up the early spring landscape. Marigold! Hi there, I'm a marigold, and I'm known for my bright orange or yellow petals that look like tiny suns. I'm often used in gardens to keep pests away because my scent repels insects. In some cultures, like in Mexico during Day of the Dead celebrations, people use my petals to make beautiful decorations and honor their ancestors. My petals can also be used to make natural dyes and teas. Lotus! Hello! I am a lotus, and I'm a special flower because I grow in water. My large, beautiful petals rise above the water's surface, usually in shades of pink or white. I am a symbol of purity and peace because even though I grow in muddy water, my petals stay clean and bright. In many cultures, especially in Asia, I'm considered sacred and often appear in art and religious symbols. Hey there, flower lovers! Thank you so much for learning about flowers with me today. I hope you had fun meeting all the beautiful flowers and discovering their cool facts. Remember, flowers make the world brighter and happier, just like you. If you enjoyed learning about flowers, make sure to give this a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on more awesome facts about nature, animals, and so much more. Like, subscribe, and keep blooming!